This is a love reading for you, Sagittarius, for August to September. In this reading, I'm going to take out a heart shaped spread for you and your love interest and then see how the guidance is. If you would like a personal love reading, you should write to me and I will mail you the video of your personal reading. Also, do check my newsletter which I've created for the month of August. There's a lot of effort gone into it. You can check the link in the description box. So, let us see who are you in the relationship, Sagittarius, and who is your partner. What is the strength and challenges you both bring to the relationship? How do you both see each other? What is the hope or fear you both have about the future together? And then what is the past you both are coming from? And then I look at what is the overall guidance for the love reading. So, Sagittarius, you're dating, there is a certain age gap between the two of you, or you both are emotionally at a very different plane. You may be this very deep, emotionally deep person, and your partner may not be so much emotionally there or has that much of emotional width. Now, when I look at this set of cards, it's telling me you are the one who's mostly carrying the relationship forward. You take on as in how things show up. You are the one doing a lot in this relationship. Your partner somehow, he or she is not somebody who fights, but is also someone who can give lot of fight with gestures or have some meanness about them. So, as I said, your partner is not emotionally as deep as you are, Sagittarius. So, there is definitely a lot of wavelength difference or maturity difference between the two of you, or maybe it is just a age gap. Also, you speak just as much as is needed, and your partner is someone who also doesn't talk much, but it is more out of sometimes being upset or the mood is down or something is bothering them. So this is there is a fair share of difference in how the two of you approach the same thing or how you both are dealing. You are the one who's more wise, more understanding, and extending a lot of understanding in the relationship. What is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? You are someone with a very happy, glowing heart, and you were someone who used to get very easily affected by people's words or some loved one being mean to you, but no more. You are now this very developed, nice, emotionally matured soul who doesn't get affected so easily by words or people being not at their best, when behaving with you. So you have a very happy, glowing heart, and there is a lot of love in you. And you may have nursed a lot of hurt from the past, and you seem to be now doing very well. Some of you have gotten married very late, or you are now dating with someone after a very long break. So that's showing up. Your partner very easily gets into a emotional roller coaster or a whirlpool, and as I said, he or she will choose to keep quiet or show meanness through gestures or staying silent. Your partner also then gets into this energy of I don't want to do this, no, I will not like to go here, I don't want to talk right now. So emotionally your partner doesn't have a good grip on a lot of things, and that is also to do with being young or just slightly being emotionally immature. Also, this is a guidance of someone who's not doing much, so maybe your partner needs to get a bit of life. He or she needs to go out, exercise, work out, party a certain bit, because I'm seeing while he or she gets affected very easily emotionally, he or she is not doing much with their life to not let this, you know quote them so easily. To, people's views or opinions should not affect your partner so easily. So now let us see, how do you see your partner and how does your partner see you. You see your partner as someone who will play that everything is all right, this is how life is supposed to be. Even when a lot of things are wrong, your partner does not try to set things right, and you believe, Sagittarius, your partner starts to believe a lie or live a lie in some way. So, why is this happening? Well, frankly, I don't know, but I'm seeing a certain emotional downtime or upheaval or a whirlpool your partner tends to get into. And then he or she just says that this is how things are, I'm okay with it. It's like he or she's denying themselves a lot of happiness and then just acts as if this is how it should be, I'm okay with it, this is how it makes me happy. So your partner starts to live a lie. This is how you see your partner, Sagittarius, that instead of just getting over that emotional hurt or something, or getting over something mean that got said, or some such thing, your partner starts to play as if this is how things are and this is how they like to live. How does your partner see you? Your partner sees you as someone who doesn't understand or extend much emotional understanding or empathy. You're very wrong, as a partner to Sagittarius, because your Sagittarius, while has a lot of tough side, he or she has a glowing, loving heart, and all you have to do is just get over this, whatever shell you tend to get into as a partner, and then try to speak up, because I'm seeing Sagittarius is just amazing. They do have, your Sagittarius does have a lot of tough outer exterior, but he or she is not someone who doesn't understand you emotionally. But that's the impression you seem to have, that the Sagittarius does not extend much emotionally or doesn't understand you emotionally that well. That's not how it is. But so I think there's a lot of talking needed, and you can build this emotional maturity by dealing and working with a lot of people. Some of you who are a partner to Sagittarius, there is a certain emotional depth missing, and you can build this depth by working with people, maybe with some NGO or people who have some sufferings, or just reaching out to people, and that will build your emotional scale instead of always feeling in a certain victim energy that this happened to you, now this happened to you, something like that. Now, what is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner, and likewise your partner has about you, Sagittarius? You feel your partner, while now tends to get into a certain shell or emotionally get affected, in the long run this energy will become even more strong or big and difficult to deal with. Because you see, here is a woman holding a sword, and now in the reverse that too. And then in the future energy, there's a queen holding a sword. So the woman has graduated to a higher level of, the shell, or saying no to a lot of things. So you have this worry, Sagittarius, that your partner may get into bigger shell, become even more arrogant, or with the sharp tongue, or saying the most meanest of things. So you need to develop a playfulness about your energy, and lot of balance needs to come through as a partner to Sagittarius. Otherwise, all your cards are sword cards and they are reverse cards. All 1, 2, 3, 4, all your cards are in the reverse. So it's just telling me you're not living it up as a partner. So you need to get a bit of life, make some new friends, travel a bit, maybe go on a solo trip, also start a certain self discovery so that you bring your best to the relationship. How do you see the future with Sagittarius? You are quite positive. You feel that you can win over any difficulty that will show up, and the future will work out for the two of you very well. Now, what is the past you're coming from, Sagittarius, and your partner is coming from? You have seen literally a lot of poverty, Sagittarius. You've seen a lot of tough times. You've lived a very rough life, and money was less. Your health needed a lot of attention, and then you had to provide for in this poverty or struggle or difficult life. So, you've been through a very tough time for sure. Your partner comes from a fairly good background. He or she was had all the things while growing up, even going to college. He or she must have gone to a good college also. And your partner seems to rule a lot of good communication. So I'm just saying there's a great communication that your partner has. That is why there are a lot of communication cards or a lot of speaking cards that are in the reverse. So it's just that your partner will choose to not speak because he or she is very good at speaking, but and then tends to go into a shell. But the past your partner is coming from is a great upbringing, had a lot of comforts and luxury growing up, going to colleges, has a very good and sound background. Now, what is the overall guidance for the love reading? So, one, I'm seeing a you both are unwilling to work too hard for this relationship. You both want things to be fairly easy. Sagittarius, you want your partner to agree easy, to work with you easy, and your partner also feels that you should be a easy partner to get along with. Neither of you want a difficult person or a difficulty in making things work. So you both will quit if the situation gets too tough, or you both are not able to keep up, or it's just too difficult every day to put up with the other person. But that's not how the card, but overall your cards are not so bad. It's energy or a lot of energy exchange. It's a relationship at work, and but I'm seeing that both of you are very clear that you don't want a very tough relationship or a difficult relationship or a person to deal with. So you both know that beyond a point you can't push it or come across as too mean or too self centered. Otherwise, this relationship will not work or will possibly end also. So, you both are working on this relationship with a lot of understanding, and you both seem to have set a certain rules that beyond this we don't go any further in fighting or saying mean things to each other. So it's looking like it's a workable good relationship. Maybe a certain more depth can come emotionally more from the partner. So this is how the relationship or love reading is for you, Sagittarius, for you and your partner.